everyone, Seth here with the Pace of Richmond group of KellerWilliams, and today we're going to be checking out 1411 Williamsburg Road. The location on this one, it is awesome. You're within about a mile of the Virginia Capitol Trail, Stone Brewery, Triple Crossing Brewery, Gillies Creek Park. There's just so much going on. I can't wait to show you the inside of this one. Let's head on in and check it out. I can't wait for you to see the inside of this house. Isn't this place awesome? Open concept! All right, so let me give you the details of this place. 3-bed, 2.5 bath, full open concept. Everything in this place has been touched and renovated. It is awesome. The roof is brand new, HVAC is brand new, all the bathrooms have been touched, beautiful new kitchen. You have alley access, so you could technically have off-street parking as well. Huge storage in the back. It's great. You can just move in here, not have to do a single thing. Let's check out the rest of the house. Slow closed drawers. Brand new windows. There was a poll done that asked people who have bought a home before what a major decision-making point would be in their next home purchase, and most of them said that it would be a dedicated laundry space. Second story, you're going to find all of the bedrooms. My favorite part is the expansive primary bedroom with an ensuite bath. That bathroom is massive. It has dual vanities, a big shower, perfect for any family.